Hello everyone. In this video, we will do the daily current affairs analysis of 11th February 2022. The first topic which we will discuss is the sessions court. So, a person who is not already employed by the union or the state can only be appointed a district judge if he has worked as an advocate or pleader for at least 7 years and has been nominated for appointment by the High Court according to Article 233(2). Members of the bar should be considered for appointments at all the three levels, that is district judges, high courts and the Supreme Court, as envisioned by the Constitution's writers. This is because lawyers who work in the courts have direct contact with the people who need their services, and their perspectives on how the courts run are always evolving. The Supreme Court has ruled that the only method to become a district judge is to be promoted in accordance with Article 234 rules, and that subordinate judicial officers, even if they have 7 years of experience as an advocate, cannot apply or compete for direct appointment as district judges. Source of this news is The Hindu. The next topic in news is about the RFID technology. So it refers to a method of encoding digital data in RFID tags or smart labels that may be read by a reader in the same way that a device captures data from a tag. It's similar to barcoding. RFID is a type of technology that also incorporates data collecting and identification components of RFID system. The three components are an RFID tag or label, a reader, and an antenna. To convey data to the reader, the tag has a circuit and an antenna integrated in. The reader then converts the waves that have been sent into a usable type of data. The data is subsequently transferred to a host computer system where it can be analyzed and stored. RFID technologies applications: logistics and supply chain, inventory tracking, attendee tracking, RFID based access, real time location system. So the next topic in news is details of the lesser FLORICAN species. So they are described as follows. The bustard's smallest member is the lesser FLORICAN, also known as the lick or kharmore. It's unique to the Indian subcontinent, where it lives in tall grasses, and the males are famous for their monsoon season leaping breeding displays. These bustards are typically found in northwestern and central India during the summer, but they are more widely distributed throughout India during the winter. The only other species that comes close is the Bengal florican, which is larger and lacks the white throat, collar, and expanded plumes. The conservation status of the lesser florican is the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 lists the lesser florican as Schedule 1. The bird is listed as critically endangered on the Red List of Threatened Species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Threats: this species is threatened by both hunting and habitat degradation. The species is critically endangered, and certain parts of its range have been officially hunted to extinction, such as Pakistan. So next topic in news is about the corporate social responsibility. So it can be defined as a corporate endeavor to assess and accept responsibility for the company's environmental and social welfare consequences in general. In India, the concept of CSR is governed by Section 135 of the Companies Act 2013. The activities that a firm can engage in as part of its CSR program are listed in Schedule 7 of the Act. The activities include eradicating extreme hunger, poverty, promoting education, gender equality, and women's empowerment, combating the human immunodeficiency virus, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, and other diseases, ensuring environmental sustainability, and other details. The source of this news is The Hindu. The next topic in news is about the State Human Rights Commission. So, it will investigate abuses of human rights in the areas listed on the state and concurrent lists. Composition: it is made up of 2 members and a chairperson. A serving or retired judge of the High Court or a district judge with 7 years of experience, as well as someone with expertise or practical experience in the field of human rights, shall be included among the members. The chairperson and the members of SHRC are appointed by the governor based on the recommendations of a committee that includes India's Prime Minister, the Leader of Opposition in the Legislative Council, Leader of Opposition in the Legislative Assembly, Chairman of the Legislative Council. Appointment: only the Chief Justice of Supreme Court can appoint a sitting High Court judge or a sitting district judge. Removal: bankruptcy, unsound mind, disease of the body or mind, being sentenced to prison for a crime, or working for a living are all grounds for the removal. He could be fired if a Supreme Court investigation deems him guilty of misbehavior or incapacity. Powers: if a case is submitted within 1 year of the incident, the Commission has the same authority as a civil court and can hear it. It has the authority to recommend victim reparations and criminal charges against the accused. Such proposals, however, are not legally binding. Source of this news is The Hindu. So thanks a lot for watching the analysis video. Have a nice day.